Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Settings, press Ctrl plus comma or CMD plus comma on Mac. Once done, make sure you can switch between user and workspace scopes because disabling autocomplete can be workspace specific. Next, open a file of the language you care about so language-specific settings appear. You do this now so changes apply correctly. It avoids toggling the wrong scope later. This first step gets you into the right context and ensures the settings you change will take immediate effect where you work. Now change the core options that create autocomplete. Set editor, quick suggestions to false, and uncheck triggers that pop suggestions automatically. You should also turn off editor, suggest on trigger characters and editor, accept suggestion on enter. That prevents suggestions from inserting on punctuation or enter. After that, inspect popular extensions like IntelliSense or language servers and disable their suggestion features in each extension settings. Doing these steps removes most automatic. Finish by reloading Vscode so all setting changes take effect. Use developer, reload window from the command palette. If autocomplete still appears, disable extensions one by one to find the culprit because language servers often inject suggestions. Once you identify it, change that extension settings or uninstall it. Make sure to export or backup settings before wide resets. Restoring defaults is last resort. Tip: if nothing works, check workspace. Vscode/settings. JSON for overrides, delete or amend those entries to solve lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.